What's up guys, Jay here, and I'm by myself in the studio today. If you guys recall, last time I was by myself, because Phil's off today, I basically did a work log where I kind of organized some things and created some piles, and as you can see, the piles are still there. So I'm gonna take this opportunity today to bring you another one of these work logs of what kind of goes on behind the scenes a little bit around here to try and get some work done and hopefully make it semi-entertaining for you, because yeah, this place is a mess. This is normally the angle. You guys see the set? Just kind of like that. But if we take a look at the floor back here, yeah, it's just, actually right here it's not too bad. But yeah, we've got so much just crap. I mean, look at my toolbox. This is pretty embarrassing. Just everything's such a mess and in shambles. So we're gonna try and get this taken care of today. Do you want to be cooler? Do you want to be more desirable? Well, you're in luck, because right now you can own your very own JayzTwoCents swag and immediately be the cool kid on the block. Max out your sex appeal by following the link down below. So this is actually a trash pile. Well, not that. That's not trash. That's a computer we have to disassemble or finish disassembling. This pile is going to storage, with the exception of that stuff right there. And these are boxes that need to be broken down. The kitchen definitely needs to be cleaned up, because you can see it became sort of a catch-all. That's also trash right there. All of the temporary loops and things that we've been building over time need to be handled. So yeah, there's definitely some things around here that need to be done. So one of the things we'll be doing later is taking this stuff right here to storage. The problem is my storage unit is also looking a lot like this, like very full. So I might even have to talk to them about getting a bigger unit. But I think, ladies, get it? Bigger. All right, I get it. So this is also like our intake area over here. This is where product that has been sent for review or to use in builds and stuff. As you can see, this is all in shambles. Equipment down here in shambles. And then I want to make room for a lot of our shooting gear, because we've got lots of tripods and sliders and big lights and stuff everywhere, and more camera gear and mics and stuff. Trash on the floor. So this is just what it's like when you are trying to bring people mediocre YouTube videos and you think you're semi-professional at it. I'd like to be able to kind of see my million sub button again at some point and do something with this area. So I'm going to start with breaking down these boxes, because this is technically, this is recyclable trash, all that stuff. Did you guys know that the corn-based packing peanuts are actually edible? They just taste like tasteless rice cakes. I guess if you're really hungry, you could eat them, and you feel like putting, germs in your body, but hey. So there's already a ton more room now just with the trash and recycling out of here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm kind of mad. I'm moving everything on this cart. I forgot my big flat dolly at home because I'm dumb, which would have been nice to stack up these boxes on and make 1 or 2 trips rather than like 18 with that. But whatever, I digress. Anyone that's watched my work logs in the past is probably going, this is like the same thing. You're doing the same thing you did in all those videos, only the mess is different, but you're doing the same thing. And to that, I'd like to say you're right. A lot of what we do around here is extremely repetitive. So that's the challenge of running a channel like this and having the videos seem kind of new and exciting when you're doing a lot of the same thing over and over. The funny thing is you get people that say, hey Jay, do this kind of video, and it's like, well, I've already done that. And they go, yeah, but you haven't done it in a few years. Refresh it, do it again. So then I do the content again, and then people say, you already did this, why are you doing it again? So, whatever. 6 one way, half a dozen the other. It's always a different side of the audience talking. I think I'm gonna go ahead and partition the kitchen again. I don't know if you guys remember, I had these curtain rods that were up there that went across right there and had gray curtains that hung down so the curtains were out of, or the kitchen was out of the shot. I think I'm gonna do that again, because the kitchen is the thing we have a hard time keeping organized, because I've got so much water cooling crap sitting in there, and at least I can block it off and go back to it later, I guess, right? The mess doesn't exist if you can't see it. That's why kids always push all their crap under the bed and in the closet. And by kids, I mean me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this pile to storage now, which isn't exactly efficient or ideal, considering my storage unit is not close by, it's by my house. Because when I got the storage unit, I got one near my house, and then I got a studio not by my house, but that's okay, because I kind of want this stuff out of the way so I can sort of see how I want to organize this. That way I'm not working around this pile. So let's do it. So the truck's loaded and I've got a lot more space to deal with now. Look at this. you can't really tell on camera how much space that really is. This building is very narrow, and so there's not a lot of, it's only 14 feet wide, so it's not a lot of width. I just put the tripods and stuff there for now, but I'm thinking about putting a couch back there with the rug and all that. I don't know. I just don't know. After I get back from the storage unit, I'm gonna hang the curtain back so that we can see how that works out. But I think it'll look nice with that segregated, because like I said, hide the mess. If you don't see it, it doesn't exist. It's like calories and fat. If you don't acknowledge that they're there, you don't gain weight. At least that's what I've heard. I swear I look like the biggest PCMR fanboy right now. So yeah, here's the storage unit. I think it's time I have a yard sale. A lot of this stuff is just empty boxes, some stuff from the house, old IKEA desks and frames and legs for that, lots of cases, TV boxes, Pelican cases. But I think it's time to ask for a bigger unit. And I still have to fit this stuff in here. It's starting to look like the Tower of Babel in here, like PC edition. This is probably not safe. That mess has probably been sitting there for at least a month, maybe more. I don't remember when I did that last work log video. I guess I have to look at the date. But that's finally taken care of now, so maybe we can actually make some progress. My biggest goal with this is to have Phil walk into the office tomorrow and be like, whoa, who'd you hire to come in and do this? And I could be like, it was me. I did it all myself. Because a general leads his troops into battle. Something like that. All right, so it's lunchtime, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a health update here, because you know on the second channel over the years, I've talked a lot about struggles with weight gain and weight loss and just general health and stuff. You guys have noticed over the years, I have slimmed down and plumped up and slimmed down and going back and forth. A lot of you guys have noticed again that I'm losing weight once again, and I lost 16 pounds in July, actually. I lost almost 4% percentage body fat, and I gained 2% lean muscle mass, and I'm feeling better than ever because of a new routine, proper eating. In fact, this is what I'm eating today. So we got some broiled Brussels sprouts, some southern greens, a little bit of sausage here, some beef brisket, very lean, not really any fat on there, and then a dry rub barbecue chicken without the sauce on the chicken, obviously. But my struggles with weight have definitely been something I've been very open about on this channel. Some of you know, I think a lot of you don't. I used to weigh almost 500 pounds. I used to be very immobile, couldn't do much, and my quality of life has definitely improved. And the sink is making funny noises because I'm filling the sink. I'm actually doing dishes for like the first time in 6 months in this place. Yeah, gross, right? So yeah, no, it's important to take care of yourselves, and the mind follows the body and vice versa. So if you don't take care of one or the other, then you're just asking for problems. So that's kind of want to share that little bit of tidbit with you guys, because I'm pretty proud of the fact that I actually lost 16 pounds, solid pounds in July, not water and stuff like that. And we are continuing, obviously, this routine through hopefully the rest of my life, but I don't know, we'll see where this goes. So here's what it looks like now, with the curtains up, blocking out the kitchen. I just threw a rug down here because we have the cables back there along the wall that need to be hidden. Got some of our rigging there, and I'm still not convinced I want to turn this into any sort of a set. So I guess we will just see what happens. Upstairs is still a huge mess, but I think what I've gotten achieved by myself is definitely not bad. So now I'm going to go ahead and tear the rest of this system apart. This is the monstrosity that Jerry built when he was here. So once I finish that, I will probably wrap up the day. But I honestly feel like I have gotten a whole lot accomplished. Except for the trash bag. We gotta do something with that. So it's actually the next day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I figured what better way to end it than to catch Phil's reaction coming in today to seeing the fact that I actually did something productive while he wasn't here. Yeah, plus today is his birthday. At least the day we're filming this, not the day you're watching it. So why don't you guys go ahead and give Phil a huge happy birthday in the comments below, or hit him up on Twitter at frickin' Phil. I'll annotate it here. So, all right, then we just go wait for him to get in. Hopefully he's not running late.
I was a little scared because you told me to text you. Whoa. Holy crap. Dang, dude. Must have been really bored yesterday. So, what are we doing?
Filming your reaction to me actually doing work yesterday.
I like how my candid reaction was, you must have been really bored, huh? Dude, no, seriously, I gotta give you a high five.
Oh, that was the worst high five. Wait. Let's recreate the
battle. Yeah, dude.
It was like a handhold.
Dude, there's so much room.
Now let's see how we can mess it up. All right, guys, we're gonna go and end this video. Thanks for watching. I know the work vlogs are kind of boring and stuff, so anyway, we're gonna get back to some real work now. Trust me, the next video is going to make you cringe. All right, guys, as always, we'll see you in the next one. And happy birthday, Phil.
Yay!
He's 30 now.
Time to buy 50 cases to take
Cases of beer.
Yeah.